I'm going to deal with 8 and 9 in one video. So here's number 8. A single fair die is rolled. I roll a single die. What's that sample space look like? If I roll one die, it has 6 sides. And the outcomes, this is a list of all possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. That's all you can get if you roll a single fair die. You're going to get one of these values. Unless like the die is funny and it lands on the end, on the edge. Then that wouldn't be a fair die, I don't think. Okay, so here's a sample space. We want the probability that the number on the die is a multiple of 3. Again, when we're finding probability, we want the number that are a multiple of 3 over the number in the sample space. Clearly, there are 6 outcomes in my sample space. And which ones are a multiple of 3? Let's see. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. I have 2 multiples of 3. So the probability that we roll a multiple of 3 is 2 out of 6, which simplifies, divide each by 2, simplifies to 1/3. There's my probability for number 8. For number 9, I didn't want to write this out. I rolled 2 dice, 2 fair dice. Here's my sample space. This is my sample space. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 6, there's 36 different outcomes. So we want the probability that the number we roll is the sum of the numbers we roll, is greater than 10. So we want the number where the sum is greater than 10 divided by the number in the sample space. Here, my sample space, like we just said, has 36 different outcomes. We just need to find which outcomes have a sum greater than 10. Well, 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. That's a sum of 10. Everything above that is less than 10. 6 plus 5 is 11, that's greater than 10. 5 plus 6 is 11, that's greater than 10. 6 plus 6 is 12, that sum is greater than 10. It looks like those are the only 3 outcomes where the sum is greater than 10, which reduces to 1/12. So 3 out of the 36 outcomes represent a sum greater than 10.